Hey guys, how you doing? You wondering where I've been? This is where I've been. Buried inside my warehouse. Pallets and pallets of electronics are in here. Pallets of copper, pallets of wire. Aluminum. There's a lot of everything. I can't say a little bit of everything because there's literally a lot of everything. This is where I've been the last couple of months. I got a lot of stuff going on. A ton of pickups. A lot of heavy steel, a lot of light iron going out. But I've been spending a good amount of time here. My bench is completely buried. Was breaking apart different things. There's rows and rows and rows of Gaylords in here full of copper. Barrels full of copper, wire. There's a ton of brass in here. I can't show you everything because I really can't get to everything, but pallets of electronics. Those are all laptops. Big Gaylords full of boards. All to be sorted and separated, broken down. Stack of pallets. Extra Gaylords for the material to come and go with. It's endless. Endless. It never ends. It just keeps on coming. Let's walk down the hall. Let's go to the other side of my warehouse. It's been a while since I published a video. I got a ton of them filmed. I got to edit them and I got to get some stuff out. But I thought I'd give you this little update here. What we got going on. This is not the scrap unit. This is all, mostly in here is for sale. It's all got to get sorted, listed. I got pallets and pallets and pallets of books in here for Amazon. Windows and doors. If you saw my Instagram post a couple days ago, you see I just sold a couple more windows. Got Coke signs. Everything in here is for sale. There is a little bit of scrap, like I said, but mostly everything in here is for sale. I've got these big shelving units. Filled. That's 30 feet long. The row of shelves. They're 4 feet wide. Let's take a walk down some of them. Most of this whole row is toys, games, a lot of kids stuff. A little hard to film it, but you get the idea of what's here. This whole next row mostly is like kitchen stuff, housewares. This is all sporting equipment, this last row right here. This is all kitchenware, house stuff. Christmas, home decor, mostly Christmas. There's a little bit of Easter mixed in here. This isn't all of it, but this is just what happens to be listed right now. That's why it's kind of right out in the open. Just about daily I sell 2 or 3 of these items. I know we're just finishing up with Christmas season, but it'll still sell. Year round I sell Christmas stuff. We're back here, books everywhere. This whole section right here, all the way over to the TV that's standing up. I don't know if you could even make it out. It's right there. That's the TV. That's about 25 feet away from me. That's all books. Pallets and pallets of clothes. Gaylord's right here full of clothes. Behind it is more clothes. There's I think 8 pallets of electronics in here. Most of that's all scrap. Some of it we're going to be able to sell though. Some of it, not all of it. This is all clothing. All got to go through it all. I got to sort through everything, see what's worth it to sell, what's going to be donated, and what's just going to be complete garbage. But I sell this stuff every single day of the week. You guys see the orders I post on Instagram. Sales going out, piles of boxes. It all comes from this stuff right here. This shelf here is the only empty one. Only because I'm going to start putting things over here that are for sale, that are actually listed. That way I know where to find them. I'll bring all my bins here, you know, numbered bins. I'm going to fill all these big pallet racks. I'm going to lift up these book pallets and lift them up on top there. Then I could stack them 3 high. That'll open up a lot of floor space here. Combined between this unit and the scrap unit, we're about 4,200 square feet, give or take. There's about 10 Gaylords in here full of clothing. Big screen TV. There's 2 Gaylords over there full of stuffed animals. I gotta sort through them. Stuffed animals sell really, really good, guys, if you got good stuff. And then this is just my little office. It's kind of a mess, but not much in here. Computer and some empty shelves. I just picked up all these baseball cards. Actually yesterday, day before I'm filming this video. There's some good value in there. Some of them I'm going to send out and have them graded. Because they're worth a couple $100 a card. I got these nice Coke signs. Those are for sale. Everything's for sale. It's all got to go. Then I'm going to bring more stuff in. But I wanted to get a video out to you guys, let you know I'm still here. I'm still making videos. I'm still scrapping. I'm still selling stuff. I'm not going anywhere. I might not get the videos posted as fast as I want to, but I'll get some videos out there. I'll do the best I can. Let me go up this ladder here. Maybe we can get a view from the top. I have endless stuff to sell. And I'm not slowing down anytime soon. Now let's get down. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I will definitely get some more videos out there for you. I'll get some videos of the process listing this and sorting through it. I have some filmed already. I just got to edit them. I work on this every day. Here or in the scrap side. Taking things apart for copper, brass, aluminum. You guys have seen a lot of my videos. You know what I do. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video.